What's happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit Day number 290. So close to 300. Let me just check something. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296. Whoa, I've got 290, up to 296 laid out beside me here. What is going to be those last 297, 298, 299, 300? So I need to find 4 spirits more to hit 400. 300. Wow. 300 spirits, man. Like, I love my BC Spirits, but 300 spirits is a freaking milestone if I don't say myself. So today we're doing the Sheringham Stick in the Mud coffee liqueur. I freaking love coffee. If you haven't never realized that, I drink 2 or 3 nitros a day. I'm a little excessive with my coffee, and I can't get the lid off for some reason. So let me just magic tap with the magic wand. I should try to do this before the show, but as always, so Stick in the Mud is... So you suck so bad right now. There we go. A little bit of sugar has gummed up the lid. Stick in the Mud is a little coffee roastery in Sooke proper, literally right across the street from Sheringham. This is their coffee liqueur. Yeah, I got a little sugar on the cap. But as you know, I love my coffee. I think that coffee liqueurs are really hard to dial in. I don't think people really understand, like, they just think it's coffee, vodka, sweetener, that's it. But the thing is that coffee needs to be a particular roast, a particular sort of flavor profile to really come through. Like the really light roasts that we get in Victoria that are notorious for Victoria's high acidity, strawberries and tropical fruit and stuff like that, don't work in coffee liqueurs because you want that coffee liqueur to have that sort of deep roasted note, almost over roasted note to really come through. The super high acidity coffee roasts just don't work in coffee liqueurs. Oh, I quite like Stick in the Mud. When I drive to Sooke proper, I always get a Stick in the Mud, whether it be a cappuccino or a cold brew. Always. I think it's one of the most underrated coffee roasters here on the island. They don't get as much credit as they should. On the palate, rich. It just is a fantastic coffee. And I really just love this coffee liqueur. I think it's a fantastic coffee liqueur. It's got some nice high roasted notes. You still got some nice structured acidity there from the coffee. Really balances out. I've got a feeling they threw a little smidge of vanilla in this too, but that may be coming from the coffee as well. Man, you can drink this shit straight. I have a lot of coffee liqueurs. I taste a lot of coffee liqueurs over the years. But this is a fantastic little number. Sheringham's coffee liqueur. I think this is still kicking around here and there, but get a bottle, make yourself a little dude abides. Like, make yourself a little White Russian with this, or a Black Russian. You won't be disappointed. A little bit of vodka, equal parts that and vodka, a little bit of cream, and you're done. But thanks as always for the support, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.